What's up, YouTube? I owe you guys a video on this car, specifically the N55 Big Boost setup that I had. It is no longer an N55 Big Boost vehicle anymore. You'll see in another video what we've done to it. However, I owe you guys a video on the setup and the mod list that I was running previously. So that's what we're going to dive into today. If you don't mind, please like the video, subscribe, helps us out a lot. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for starters, the turbo kit itself was the Big Boost Stage 3.3 kit with the external wastegate option. All we were running for a low pressure fuel pump was the Fuel It Stage 2. And then of course the boost controller, Go Fast Bits EBC3 it's called. We had a BMS catch can, tile black BOV. Actually, we were using an N54 charge pipe. It will fit on the N55 if you're wondering about that. We had N55 Precision Raceworks coils on it. A BMS trans cooler, which is not, completely necessary, but it's good to have on there. What else? So much stuff to remember. Oh, the meth kit. We had an AEM meth kit running meth injection through the charge pipe. And XHP Stage 3 flash, transmission flash. So we were also running the Valvetronic muffler delete exhaust setup. NGK two-step Coulter plugs. I think we gapped them to 0.020 or 0.022. You'll be fine with either of those. And then it was custom tuned by Wedge Performance, Steven at Wedge Performance. And ultimately, guys, my personal recommendation is if you're going to run that Big Boost kit, keep it at 500, keep it 550-ish, conservative. Anything more than that, you better start building the internals, which is fine, but just be proactive with that, or else you're going to run into some issues. So keep it mild. The most we had the car on was E50. Started on pump gas, went to E30, and then got all the way up to E50, and she met her demise. So, it's a good way to make power on this car, the N55, but definitely do your motor work so you don't have any issues. So that's it, guys. That's the mod list. If you have any questions for us, definitely just put them in the comment section. We'll try to answer them for you. But that's it. That's pretty much the mod list on it. So thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for a lot of you who have been asking for that. Thanks.